So I bit the bullet and went for the Flash Forge AD5X. There it be, the AD5X. Anyway, let's see, did I make the right decision? As it happens, yes, I think I have. I've got the Flash Forge 5M Pro, and that is as solid as a rock, never lets me down. And I've been wanting to go for a multicolour printer, and the Flash Forge AD5X at the moment in the UK was down to £258 for the printer. So as I say, I bit the bullet and I bought it, and I must say, in the first few days that I've had it, which is probably nearly a week now, it's been faultless. Been printing lots of bits and pieces, mainly testing stuff, but things like, I did the fish that's on the printer, so that was one of the first prints I did, so that came out great. I've been doing tried it with using the sign maker in Maker Lab, so these have all come out great. Nameplate for my grandson, and I've started making these to go on the drawer fronts, where I've been printing loads of drawers and things. Thought I'd make some little labels up to go on those. So there's no colour bleed at all. I don't know if that will focus that well, but yeah, there's no colour bleed going from the yellow to the darker blue, even on the black. Yeah, so from yellow to black, no colour bleeds at all. Really pleased. So this is something else I did on Maker Labs, one of my other grandsons. I made a sort of neon, well, not neon, but light up sign, and I must admit, on that Maker Lab, it's so easy to do. Not only that, it prints the back out for you, which is clips on. I put a screw, like a keyhole screw, in there so it can hook on the wall, and the printer has done an absolutely brilliant job again. So yeah, at the moment I can fully recommend it. Now, in other stuff that I've been doing is, Sunlu filament, 500 grams, double box, so it's you get your kilo, but you can have two colours, and at the moment it's the same price as buying 1 kilo. So now I've got the colour printer, I thought it would be ideal just to get some smaller rolls with lots of different colours, because you might only want to run a couple of things off in certain colours. So I get a whole 1k reel when you can get 500, and as I say, for the 2 rolls, 1 kilo, 2 different colours, $9.99. So that must be around $12, I should think. $12.50. It's not a lot anyway. So yeah, for the price of 2 full rolls, you can get 4 different colours, which is probably going to be enough for a lot of things. Different if you've got a really big print that you want to do in certain colours, but I thought I'd give it a go and see how I get on with that. The Flash Forge software has been absolutely fine. I've had no troubles connecting to the internet. The phone apps works fine. I will get a camera for it, I think, soon, so that I can keep an eye on it if I am out and I've got a long print going. would be nice. That's the one thing I do like with the 5M Pro, having the camera. But otherwise, it's all good. Everything's, yeah, really, really pleased with it. The multicolour system is so easy to load. It's a doddle. I like having the reels on the side rather than one of the units where it's on the top or whatever. The bamboo A1 with the unit, I mean, that seems so bulky to have standing on the side of a desk. So this is compact. Set up and putting it together was a breeze. I mean, it was so easy to put together. Probably 10 or 15 minutes and I had it rigged up, turned on and doing its self-test. So yeah, dead easy to put together. Yeah, it's absolutely great. Really pleased with it. I will let you know how I'm getting on in a couple of months, see if it's still as good. Hopefully it will be. Yeah, so that's about it really for today. Christmas is coming. Hope you all have a good Christmas and a happy new year, and hopefully Santa brings you all the bits that you want. So I shall catch you soon. I may get another one in before Christmas. If not, it'll be after Christmas or the new year. So take care everyone. It would be a really nice thing if you could hit the like button and even subscribe. That would be great. That would be a bit of a Christmas present for me. But yeah, take care. See you all soon. Cheers. Bye. Never thought.